Did You Really Just is an adult party game that requires you to spit out the first thing that pops into your head. At first, the challenger will flip over a category card like this one. They will then challenge each person at the table one by flipping over a letter card. The first person to shout out a word or phrase starting with the letter and fitting the category wins that letter card.
Did you really just call me fat?
They then move on to the next person in a clockwise rotation. After everyone has been challenged, the challenger passes the category cards to the person on their left, and now that person is the new challenger who flips over a brand new category card.
My worst nightmare is
white women.
Women who are mad.
Gameplay continues in this pattern until all letter cards have been played. At that point, you've concluded round one. Everyone counts their letter cards, and whoever has the most is the winner of that round. Keep a tally and shuffle all the letter cards to start again.
Did you really just?
Talk to me like that?
Your answers do not need to be truthful, but they do need to make sense. For example, your category might be when I drink tequila, and the letter that's flipped is an S. You could say streak, even if you've never done that or want to pretend you've never done that. When I drink tequila, I party all night.
Yeah.
With poop in your pants?
When I drink tequila, I
Eat chips.
okay.
Yeah.
Talk about.
When I drink tequila, I
Cry.
Did You Really Just is available on Kickstarter, and our website is dyrjgame.com. Don't forget to check out our expansion packs.
Hi there, my name is Matthew Inman. I make the oatmeal, and this is Alon Lee. He makes games. We're the creators of Exploding Kittens. And today, I'm here to tell you about our new game, Throw Throw Burrito. Throw Throw Burrito is the first of its kind. It's a combination of card games and dodgeball. Here's how it works. You all just sit, or preferably stand, in a circle holding cards. In the middle of the table are a pair of squishy toy burritos, which are included with the game. You pass cards around and try to get 3 of a kind. Cards such as Meow Cow, Logger Dogger, Goth Sloth, and Barky Shark. Getting matches of these cards is how you get points, which is how you eventually win. Easy peasy, right? Right. The real fun begins when you get 3 of a kind and the cards are burritos. When this happens, players have to grab the squishy toy burritos in the center of the table and throw them at one another. There are a few different types of burrito fights. Sometimes it's just 2 players involved. Sometimes the entire table has to have a burrito war. My personal favorite is when there's a burrito duel, where 2 players must stand back to back, walk 3 paces, and then fire. Remember earlier when I said you get points by getting 3 of a kind? If you get hit by a burrito, you lose points. So, the game in a nutshell is all about accruing points through cards and trying to keep those points by avoiding airborne burrito attacks. The game is family friendly, so you can play with anyone, kids, teens, adults, even your great-great auntie. We recommend playing this in a room that has space to run, dive, hide, scream, flex, strafe, squeal, and cower. We recommend you do not play this in a room that's full of antiques or fancy dishes or big whiny babies. We recommend playing this with the heart of a champion and the athleticism of a cheetah. We recommend winning, not losing. If you're into these recommendations, if you're into the idea of weaponized Mexican food, if you're into the idea of being a winner, and would like to play our game, please back our Kickstarter. Thank you very much.
A few years ago, we had an idea that we thought could completely change the tabletop gaming industry. Blinks, hexagonal tiles that interact with each other to merge analog and digital play. Each blink knows a game and can teach any number of other tiles how to play. The more we developed it and began to show it off, the more we saw others agree. In 2018, we ran a wildly successful Kickstarter and received over $150,000 in pre-orders. When we returned earlier this year, the community and pre-sales more than doubled. And every show we've taken Blinks to, we've sold out. To date, we've manufactured and shipped nearly 50,000 Blinks, and now we're back with our biggest update yet. Introducing 6 new games from amazing creators such as the team at Big Potato. We're also reissuing 9 of our best games in one incredible bundle for those of you who are just joining the world of Blinks. Blinks will introduce you to new ways to play, even during the most challenging of times. We're thrilled that more than 3,000 people have joined us on our journey and seen the wonder that Blinks can bring. Whether this will be your first time playing or you've already got Blinks in your hands, there's something in this Kickstarter for you.
Fidget Moire is intended to help people relieve stress and be aware of the moment through touch, sight, and smell. It is a fidget toy combining barrier grid animation and aromatherapy. With your finger rotating the driving wheel, the interlaced image at the base will rotate across the striped front cover and produce liveliness animation. Instead of fast rotating like fidget spinner, the Fidget Moire reduces the spinning speed of the base image to 1/44 through mechanical transmission to give people a peaceful view and inspiring the idea of slowing down as the fan structure in the driving wheel drives the air through the aromatherapy block. The fresh nature aroma makes people calm and relaxed. Fidget Moire has silver aluminum cover and lovely images. You can play with it in different ways, placing it on your desk as an enrichment and playing with it when confronting some distressing work, or at whatever point you simply need to loosen up a smidgen. By placing it before a fan or installing the vent clip and clipping it to the vehicle vent outlet, the breeze will drive it to run on its own. Fidget Moire also supports DIY. You can create intriguing barrier grid animation or images to make your Fidget Moire more personalized and share your design with the community. Back us now and get your Fidget Moire.